Hello world, welcome to my channel. Today I'm replacing my CB UHF antenna with a broomstick type 1, 6.6 decibel. One I've got is an elevated feed antenna. It's been on a couple of cars, starting to look old again, and the antenna was on sale at Anaconda, $139, down from $210 I think it was. So I decided to grab one and I'll put it on the car. So yeah, and it's a good brand, so I'll go through that when I do the video. I'm also installing a EVC throttle controller at the same time, another day of course, and I've tested it over a week and I'll let you know my results. So yeah, so it's an EVC throttle controller, and I'll let you know how I'm happy with that as well. Well, I hope you like it. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers. Now this is the antenna. Starting to get rust marks on it. Bit of rusty in there, but it's all good antenna. It waves and moves around too much. This is the new one here in the packet. GME antenna. The GME UHF antenna, 6.6 decibel gain, 1040. So that's what it's going to go on. Especially it sounds so cheap. Couldn't resist it. Just running the cable along the bull bar with cable ties where I had it before. And I'm going to take it down and then through, and then I won't run it beside the cables, I'll run it separately. And I'm going to run it up and along the battery and around and then through the firewall where I had it before. I think the other one was broken, it wasn't working, couldn't hear anything on the radio at all. So I'm pretty sure it was the aerial that was faulty. But anyway, I wanted a broomstick aerial anyway, and I wanted a GME, so I got it, especially when it was nearly $100 off. All been taken around in under here. So yeah, what I do is take it over to the side of the radio over there and try it out. Probably nobody in the channel. I'll try it another day. Well, I finally done it and went and bought an EVC throttle control. That's it in the box to suit my 2006 Hilux. So after talking to several people who've got it and watching YouTube videos, I decided I might need it for towing caravan. So I am going to fit this and test it out over several weeks and get back to you with the results. Well, I'm going to open the box up. If I can do it one-handed, I will. Some foam on top. Packaging. So that is the display, like that. I've heard it's fairly quick to do the installation. So yeah, that's that there. So that comes in one part. The second part is this one. And you get some stickers. And the quick start guide. So I'll put that in there and that in there, and I will go and install it. No need, there's other videos of people installing them. They just virtually unplug and plug in. So that is where it's got to go, on top of the accelerator pedal there. Got my phone on, torch, to highlight it, so I shall plug it in. Well, there it is in there, plugged in. Hardest part is getting the damn plug out, but with bad shoulders, so I've got. But I've finally got it out. But yeah, this installation is probably going to take you anybody a couple of minutes at the best. So yeah, I got the plug out, and I've just got to tie up some cable ties. Well, I decided to mount it on this panel. Alcohol wipes, a bit of a wipe. Not level, oh well. I'll fix it up. And I've cable tied it up into there. So that just clips back in. Well, that's it there. Tiny little hole I had to drill there. I can just reach down and adjust it if I need it, but most of the time they say you leave it probably on economy mode around town and or automatic mode. I have been warned not to go straight to Ultimate 9 by several people, including the person who sold it to me. So, and they said take it easy on the lower settings first, get used to them before you go to the Ultimate 9 setting. I know it's not going to give me any more power, but it gives you direct power instead of slowly increasing it. And I think it's going to help me when I'm towing. So time will tell, and I will test it out over a few weeks, and I will report back in this video. In a couple of weeks, I'll add it on to the end of this video. Now, this throttle controller, I was skeptical, really skeptical whether it would work. You hear the stories on 4x4, 24/7 and all these other shows, and they all use throttle controllers because they probably thought they get funding from them. But when I've actually talked to people who have got them in their car, they're happy with them. Yeah. So as I said, I'm going to check it out. I was skeptical about it, but yeah. And you'll see how it goes. Thank you. Okay, so this is the throttle controller. That is off. There's two lines there. You can then push the button here and you can scroll through automatic control, AC, which is that was off. That's economy. Economy 0 and U 0. Now, so when you scroll through it, you can go to automatic control off, economy. Now economy will take you through to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 9 and back to 0. Push the mode button and you get ultimate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I've been driving around for a week and I can't get the smile off my face. The power is smooth. I didn't like the economy, couple of the economy, low economy setting because it stuttered a little bit. But I find Ultimate 3 is fantastic for driving around town. Haven't towed with it, probably won't be towing for a little while yet with it. But I believe my Ultimate 3 is the perfect setting for my car here. But yeah, I had it on economy Ultimate 9 and it was just too crazy. So I've gone back to Ultimate 3 and I'm really happy driving around like that now. And I can't get the smile off my face on the smooth power that comes out of it. You don't get any more power, but you get smooth power. It is a bit of difference. I didn't think it'd do anything, but it has done. So that's what it looks like there. As I say, you can scroll through it and you go to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Back to 0. That's where I'm going to leave it there. And automatic off and economy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Back to 0. So I might leave that on economy 6. Ultimate 3. That's where I drive around. Ultimate 3. I really like Ultimate 3. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers!